The new player, a mysterious figure known only as the Phoenix, began to make moves to take control of the city. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja knew they had to act fast to protect their territory. With every calculated decision, the Phoenix tightened their grip on the city, leaving King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja feeling the pressure as they scrabbled to regain control. As the Phoenix outlined their sinister plans, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja realized they had to unite their forces if they wanted to stand a chance against this formidable new opponent. Rallying supporters around them, the Phoenix prepared to launch their campaign, while King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja scrambled to fortify their alliances and defend their reign. With the city poised on the brink of chaos, the Phoenix and their followers surged forward while King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja prepared for a showdown that would determine the future of their territory. As the Phoenix rallied the masses with promises of transformation, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja stealthily plotted their critical move, understanding that the time for action had arrived. With tension crackling in the air, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja leaped into action, aiming to dismantle the Phoenix's uprising before it could take root in the city's heart. As the clash erupted, the Phoenix met King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja, head on each side, fierce and unyielding, embodying the struggle for control over the city's fate. In the heat of the confrontation, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja fought valiantly, testing not only their strength, but also the limits of their alliance against a powerful adversary. The battle raged on, each fighter pushing their limits, as both King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja realized that this encounter would shape not only their future, but the very fate of the city itself. With the sound of approaching sirens echoing through the night, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja knew they had to act quickly to seize the upper hand before the authorities intervened. As the Phoenix rallied their followers to flee, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja launched a final assault, determined to turn the tide of the battle and secure their place in the city's hierarchy. With each passing second, the stakes grew higher. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja pushed forward, driven by a shared goal to thwart the Phoenix's ambitions and claim victory for themselves. As the dust settled momentarily, King Cartel hesitated, caught between the thrill of victory and the moral implications of their next move against a formidable foe. Just when defeat seemed imminent for the Phoenix, a clever tactic unleashed chaos, leaving King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja scrambling to regain control of the battlefield. Realizing time was running out, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja resolved to follow the Phoenix's elusive path, determined not to let this opportunity slip through their fingers. With unwavering resolve, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja dashed into the shadows, hoping to outsmart the Phoenix and ensure that their rivals' plans would not succeed. As the chase intensified, the stakes rose higher. Both sides understood that this confrontation in the depths below the city could change everything for their respective causes. Deep within the underground maze, tension mounted. The relentless pursuit became a psychological battle, with every step leading closer to a fateful encounter. As fate would have it, the Phoenix stumbled upon a powerful relic that could change the course of their battle, while King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja were faced with a crucial choice that could lead them to victory or disaster. With every heartbeat resonating in the silence, the Phoenix prepared to unleash the artifact's potential, while King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja braced themselves for the confrontation that could redefine their destinies. In a moment of high anticipation, the air crackled with energy. The Phoenix stood ready to unleash their newfound power as King Cartel charged forward, both knowing that the outcome of this battle would reverberate in their lives forever. As the two formidable opponents faced each other in the illuminated chamber, the air thickened with tension, setting the stage for a clash that would determine not only their fates, but the fate of everything they stood for. In that electrifying moment, time seemed to stand still. Each warrior understood that this clash was not just for victory, but also for the principles they fought to uphold, igniting a battle that would echo through history. As the energy collided with King Cartel, a shockwave erupted through the chamber, marking the beginning of an epic showdown, where each combatant fought not just for victory, but for their very identities. In the heart of the chaos, brilliance met resilience. The clash of their powers marked a turning point, each fighter pushing beyond their limits in a battle that would define their legacies. As the dust began to settle, it became clear that neither would yield easily. Both warriors stood poised for the next round of their fierce confrontation, each possessing an unwavering commitment to their cause. With the air crackling anew with anticipation, both warriors understood that in this relentless duel, one misstep could unravel everything. It was a test of strength, skill, and the very essence of their beliefs. A breathtaking moment unfolded as the Phoenix unleashed their fierce energy. But King Cartel's reflexes kicked in. The battle intensified, showcasing the prowess and determination of both fighters in a clash of titans. In a dance of power and strategy, the Phoenix's energy illuminated the darkness while King Cartel seized the moment, illustrating that in this relentless rivalry, every second counted and every decision mattered.